Just on the topic of market and market share, up until sort of late last year, I've certainly been talking about us in the end game, being satisfied with a share around 30%. I was expecting, frankly, significantly more direct competition. It doesn't appear that's occurred, which is great news for us. My view is certainly changing on that. And you're a lot more conservative than me, so I'll be really keen to hear on what you're seeing now in terms of our market share goal.
Yeah, I always play the skeptic, as you know, Paul, within Seeing Machines. I'm conservative by nature. I've been in the automotive market, now for more than 35 years. I've seen how efficiently it works, and how strongly the OEMs demand choice, and are willing to invest in that choice if they have to gain that choice. And so we're always cognizant of that dynamic. That said, my views are softening as well relative to the real potential we have. I've always been steadfast in kind of our ability to get a third of the market. However, if you look at the dynamics over the last, let's call it 6 months to a year, particularly the last 3 to 6 months, we seem to be on a trajectory that will certainly allow us to beat that third share objective. Look, based on what we're seeing today, 40% volume share and maybe even 50% revenue share is not unrealistic anymore. Are there scenarios that could be better than that? Yes. But my view is that's really the sweet spot. I think if we could have 50% of the market revenue and sustain that, it probably doesn't get better than that in automotive realistically. And I think that's what we're shooting for now. And I think it's very, very possible.
So I could say your new conservative estimate is 50%?
Yeah, 50% on a revenue basis, I think is realistic. And I say on a revenue basis because we are still getting a premium over our competitors in the market, and they're recognizing the value of our technology, willing to pay up a little bit for it. And so that's why I'm rather specific about whether we're talking on a volume or revenue basis.
Well, look, Nick, I'm really pleased with how auto's unfolded. I know you are, and we've got happy customers, growing business. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for your support.
Pleasure.